The Epson PowerLite 805F Ultra Short Throw 3 LCD projector is engineered for anyone who needs a large, vibrant display without the constraints of a traditional projector setup. It combines compact design, professional-grade performance, and flexible placement options, making it suitable for classrooms, offices, creative studios, and even home entertainment spaces. At the heart of this projector is its ultra-short throw technology. Unlike conventional projectors, the PowerLite 805F can produce an image up to 120 inches from just a few inches away from the wall or screen. This eliminates the hassle of long throw distances, messy cabling, and shadow interference. You can place it on a table or mount it near the wall, and still achieve a large, immersive display without compromising space or setup simplicity. Image quality is where this projector truly shines. The 805F uses 3 LCD technology to deliver full HD 1080p resolution with exceptional color accuracy. Colors are bright, balanced, and true to life, while contrast remains sharp and consistent. Unlike some DLP projectors that can produce a rainbow effect, the 3 LCD system ensures smooth, natural visuals, which is ideal for detailed presentations, video content, and digital signage. One of the standout features is its brightness. With 5,000 lumens, the projector can easily handle well-lit environments, providing clear visuals without the need to dim lights. This makes it perfect for classrooms, office presentations, or exhibitions where ambient light cannot always be controlled. Every detail remains crisp and visible, ensuring that viewers get the intended experience, regardless of the environment. Connectivity options are extensive. The projector includes HDMI, VGA, USB, and LAN ports, giving users the freedom to connect laptops, media players, streaming devices, or even network-based content. Wireless projection is supported as well, allowing presentations or videos to be displayed without physically connecting a device. Remote management over LAN adds convenience for business or educational settings, letting multiple projectors be monitored and controlled efficiently. The design is sleek, professional, and practical. Its matte black finish ensures it blends seamlessly into any space, and the compact body allows for flexible placement options. Whether wall-mounted or placed on a table, the ultra-short throw design ensures shadow-free projection. It can also be used creatively for vertical projection or even floor displays, opening up possibilities for interactive presentations or installations. Durability is another key advantage. The laser light source has an expected lifespan of up to 20,000 hours in eco mode, reducing maintenance and long-term costs. This reliability makes it a strong choice for schools, businesses, or any space that demands continuous operation. Audio-wise, the built-in speaker handles basic needs, but pairing with an external sound system will significantly enhance immersive experiences, particularly for home theaters or large installations. Overall, the Epson PowerLite 805F combines performance, flexibility, and convenience. It delivers sharp visuals, high brightness, and accurate color while being adaptable to any space. This makes it an excellent investment for professionals, educators, and anyone seeking a high-quality, ultra-short throw projection solution. If you're interested in upgrading your display setup, the Epson PowerLite 805F Ultra Short Throw 3 LCD projector offers the ideal mix of power, clarity, and flexibility. For more information and to purchase, check the link in the description.